everybody, thanks for joining my YouTube. I am Jen. Today I am going to open a box from My Creative Craft Academy. It is actually a special order box that I made this month. Oops, sorry about that. It is a special craft kit that My Creative Craft Academy put together, and they have videos on their website that will actually be a tutorial, so I'll show you what I create with it. But this is a super cool kit that I purchased as a one-off limited edition. Let me take everything out real quick. And this one is called the Window. So it's a pretty cool teardrop shape. So here's the base of it. This will be a teardrop with a lot of decorations on it, or a raindrop. And then it'll be layered, so it'll be a little 3D effect. It'll be up like that, and then it'll have a pretty window on it. Let's see if I can find the window. And a lot of other decorations as well, so I'm super excited for that. This little piece is actually in there as a picture for the window, so that you have what you're looking out into. And of course you can put any other picture if you don't want this one. And this kit I did special order, so here we go. You can put it something like that, however you want. So super cool window to go with, or picture to go with the window. And let's see what else is in here. It's got some really cool music notes as well, and these are Snip Art designs. It's chipboard. This one's really cool. The brick, some leaves, some more leaves. These are vines. Really nice stencil. I like the word stencils in the backgrounds. They make some pretty cool effects in there. And then there's also a brick stencil as well, to go with this stencil. So super cool background stuff. Looks like there's also a piece of rice paper included. Oh, very pretty background. And then they also send everything you need, well, almost everything you need, but they send all of the liquids and glues and stuff as well. So let's take a look at that. Okay, first up is the amazing gold mica powder. It looks like pure gold when you put it on. It's one of my favorite parts about these boxes. And then we've got, I believe this is the Luminescence paint, Luminous paint, but don't quote me on that. So very pretty paint. Let's see if I can shake it up really well. Oh, I didn't shake it up very well, but there you go. Very pretty orange. It'll give it a nice little rusty feeling. And then a blue one to go with it. Very pretty blue. They've got some sand paste, which is a texture paste. A nice and gritty texture to the background. A white gesso. Gel medium, which you'll use to glue everything together. I'm not sure which one this is, but it's super cool. non-luminescence paint maybe. Very nice little dropper. Stencil paste. And then unfortunately, this last thing, well, it didn't really leak. It looked like it did through the package, but I mean, there's a little bit down there, but the container itself feels pretty dry. The top is a little wet, so maybe just some moisture. I can't read what it is, but the instructions will tell me, so then I can just write what it is again, because that's unfortunately rubbed off. Or let's see with all of this light. Yeah, so you can't really, there you go. See how it's a little rubbed off on there, but that's okay. So all of this is going to be an amazing creation that I will post here. Again, I won't do the tutorial, but if you purchase the kits, it does, and you purchase the class as well, you can purchase the class as well, which will tell you exactly how she created it, and then you can take it from there. I usually watch it all the way through, and then I go and create my creation from there. Slightly different, but I love watching their classes. I'm a subscriber, so I get all of their classes for free while I subscribe. If you buy the class as a one-off, you get to keep the class for life, so you don't lose it when you stop subscribing. So there you go. Let's create.